I think that's one thing na opportunity ngayon. Na pagka whether you say that inikot lang iba, may bago, whatever it is, but make it clear. Ano yung 1, 2, 3 na parameters na trabaho mo in the next year, in the next 6 months, in the next 3 years. Diba? Kasi nga, pag walang values, Kuya Boy, unang-una, what's values? Diba? What's valuable? Mm. So, pag hindi measurable, paano mo gradean? Paano mo sabihin he's a good secretary kung hindi mo sasabihin, eto dapat mo ma-achieve?
Output.
But measurable, Kuya Boy. Kasi
correct.
Meron maraming output eh. Pero measurable ba?
Yun.
Diba? So for example, kung sabihin kong ako ang head ng sports, sabihin sa'yo, Kuya Boy, lahat naman ng sports, tsaka Kuya Boy, mas marami akong medalya kaso dun sa huli. Well, yung medalya, measurable. But what about the grassroots sports? And ano ba yung maraming sports? Diba? So, it has to be measurable. So, mas gusto ko, sige, ikaw yung bago. Ilan bang school sa buong Pilipinas ang may basketball court, volleyball court, football field, swimming pool? By the end of your term, 3 years from now, ano bang gagawin mo doon? Or kung sabihin mo, training, ilan ba trainers natin ngayon? So, kung hindi measurable, Kuya Boy, both in terms of values and in terms of actual output, mahirap eh. So, there was this, wala na siya sa mundong ito, but there was this MMDA chairman before. I was much younger. Sabi niya, so solve niya at least 50% ng pagbaba sa Metro Manila. The first year was good. After a year and a half, bumaha, ang daming bumaha. So, nung interview siya, sir, sabi mo, isosolve mo. Yan yung 50% na hindi na-solve. So, ang hindsight, natawa din ako noon, pero hindsight, dapat dinemand natin. Ano yung 50% na sinosolve mo? So, sabi niya, etong part ng Caloocan, etong part ng Rojas Boulevard. Yeah. So, kung bumaha doon, sayang yung ginastos. So, ganun din ngayon. We have 300 billion for flood control. Pero grabe ang baha.
No.
Because nga, hindi natin dinidemand na ano bang parameters at anong gusto mo
ma-achieve.
It's just a general anti-flood.
Oo. We should. Kaya babalik ako doon sa fundamental points of leadership. Yung leadership dapat klaro ang values. Okay? Dapat, and then, yung kanina magaling sinabi mo ang leadership klaro ang values. The governed and the governor as individuals. Kasi you cannot build a state, you cannot build a city, you have to go back to the family. And the family is composed of individuals. Kaya mahaba man na proseso, but if we have to do a values campaign, we have to take care of the individual.
In fact, Kuya Boy, I think it's essential.